Okay, good morning. Today I will discuss a video that is the thermoelectric and thermionic emission. So it is the renewable energy system in which we study about how the thermoelectric and thermionic emissions work. Basically, in thermoelectricity, that it refers to a phenomena which a temperature difference create an electric potential or an electric potential creates a temperature difference. The energy is obtained by the variation of the temperature difference. Here, the thermoelectricity that refers that direct we obtain a temperature difference, and by this temperature difference we make an electricity generation. Now, thermoelectric power generator is a device that converts the heat energy into electrical energy based on the principle of Seebeck effect. In this video, we discuss about the what is Seebeck effect, what is Peltier effect, what is the Joule-Thomson's effects. Because in the study of thermoelectricity, थर्मियोनिक इमिशंस या थर्मोयानिक कन्वर्जन भी, जिसमें हम लोग तीन चीज़ें की स्टडी करते हैं। पहला तो होता है सीबैक इफेक्ट, दूसरा होता है पेल्टियर इफेक्ट और तीसरा होता है हमारा जूल इफेक्ट। तो थर्मोइलेक्ट्रिक पावर जो जनरेटर है, एक डिवाइस है, वो हीट एनर्जी को इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट करती है। इसी को हम लोग कहते हैं दैट इज द सीबैक इफेक्ट। कैसे इस प्रोसेस को करते हैं फर्दर आगे हम लोग इसको डिस्कस करेंगे। एक जो साइंटिस्ट है जिनका नाम था थॉमस जॉन सीबैक, इन द एरा ऑफ 1770 टू 1831, उन्हीं के नाम पे ये प्रिंसिपल बना दैट इज नोन एज द सीबैक इफेक्ट। लेटर ऑन इन 1834 the French scientist that's name is Peltier, and in 1851 Thomson, later called Kelvin, describes the thermal effect on conductor. Later in 1834, French scientist Peltier and in 1851, Thomson described the thermal effect of conductor. नाउ द सीबैक, व्हाट इज सीबैक इफेक्ट? इसमें अगर हम लोग देखें तो सीबैक इफेक्ट में दो टेम्परेचर है, एक वन मीडियम पे, एक टू मीडियम पे। वन मीडियम में टेम्परेचर टी है और सेकेंड में टी प्लस डेल्टा टी है। When the junction of two different metals are maintained at different temperature, the EMF is produced in the circuit. This is known as the Seebeck effect. तो सीबैक इफेक्ट की जो डिफिनीशन हुई कि अगर दो डिफरेंट मेटल हैं उनके बीच में टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस मेंटेन रहता है तो एक ईएमएफ प्रोड्यूस होता है सर्किट में, इसी को हम बोलते हैं, दिस इज नोन एज द सीबैक इफेक्ट। द कंडक्टर 1 is maintained at T plus delta T temperature. The conductor 2 is maintained at temperature T. Since the junctions are maintained at different temperature, the EMF U flows across the circuit. Now, one Seebeck device couple consists of one N-type and one P-type semiconductor Peltier. There must be a temperature difference in between the hot and cold side for the power to be generated. एक हॉट साइड है जिसके थ्रू हम लोग हीट एब्जॉर्ब कर रहे हैं और दूसरा जो है हमारा कोल्ड साइड है। तो हीट रिमूव हो रही है कोल्ड साइड में और हॉट साइड में हीट जो है वो एब्जॉर्ब हो रही है। एन टाइप बिस्मुथ टेलुराइड है जो कि नेगेटिव आयंस है और पी टाइप बिस्मुथ टेलुराइड है जो कि पॉजिटिव साइड है। नाउ पेल्टियर इफेक्ट। पेल्टियर इफेक्ट बेसिकली जब भी दो मेटल्स के बीच में अगर हम दो सिमिलर कंडक्टर है और उसके बीच में हम करंट पास कराते हैं, then depending on the current direction either heat is absorbed or released at the junction of the two conductors. This is known as the Peltier effect. So the definition of the Peltier effect is that whenever current pass through the circuit of two dissimilar conductors, depending on the current direction, either heat is absorbed or released at the junction of to conductor. This is known as the Peltier effect. Now, Thomson effect. In Thomson effect, the heat is absorbed or produced when current flows in material with a certain temperature gradient. अगर हमारा टेम्परेचर ग्रेडियंट है तो हीट प्रोड्यूस होगा या एब्जॉर्ब होगी when the current flow in the material. The heat is proportional to both the electric current and the temperature gradient. जो हीट है it is directly proportional to the electric current and the temperature gradient. This is known as the Thomson effect. Now, thermoelectric effect. The thermoelectric effect is the direct conversion of heat differential to electric voltage and vice versa. Thermoelectric effect क्या कहता है कि direct conversion of heat differentials to electric voltage and its vice versa. Thermoelectric material. सबसे पहले थर्मोइलेक्ट्रिक मटेरियल में क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टी होना चाहिए? सबसे पहले उसके अंदर लार्ज सी बैक कोफिशिएंट होना चाहिए, दूसरा हाई थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी होना चाहिए एंड थर्ड वन इज द लो थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी होना चाहिए. ऐसा मटेरियल जिसके अंदर हाई थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी हो, लो थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी हो और लार्ज सी बैक कोफिशिएंट हो, उसको हम कहते हैं गुड थर्मोइलेक्ट्रिक मटेरियल. जैसे एग्जांपल है बिस्मथ टेलुराइड Bi2Te3, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं बिस्मथ टेलुराइड. सेकेंड इज द लेड टेलुराइड. लेड टेलुराइड का फॉर्मूला है PbTe. थर्ड वन इज द सिलिकॉन जर्मेनियम SiGe. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज बिस्मथ एंटीमनी BiSb. Now the principal construction and working of thermoelectric power generator. इसका प्रिंसिपल क्या है? कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्किंग ऑफ थर्मोइलेक्ट्रिक पावर जनरेटर का. थर्मोइलेक्ट्रिक पावर जनरेटर बेस्ड ऑन द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सीबैक इफेक्ट. जो थर्मोइलेक्ट्रिक पावर जनरेटर है वो सीबैक इफेक्ट के प्रिंसिपल पे वर्क करता है. क्या है ये इफेक्ट? व्हेन द जंक्शन ऑफ टू डिफरेंट मेटल्स आर मेंटेन्ड एट डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर the EMF is produced in the circuit. जैसे कि P टाइप और N टाइप के हमारे दो जंक्शन हैं. हीट जो इनपुट हुआ हॉट जंक्शन से कोल्ड जंक्शन के बीच में हमारा पावर आउटपुट हो रहा है और हीट रिजेक्शन हो रहा है. तो इसका थर्मोइलेक्ट्रिक पावर जनरेटर यही बोलता है कि इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सीबैक इफेक्ट व्हेन द जंक्शन ऑफ टू डिफरेंट मेटल आर मेंटेन्ड एट डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर एंड EMF विल बी प्रोड्यूस्ड. In order to select materials and design a thermoelectric generator, one needs to start with a general understanding of the thermoelectric effect. So basically, जो thermoelectric effect है, it is the medium in which we generate the Seebeck effect. If the free charge are positive, the material is p-type. Positive change will build upon the cold, which will have a positive potential. Similarly, negative free charge n-type material will produce a negative potential at the cold end. Now the construction. Thermoelectric power generation device typically use special semiconductor material which are optimized for the Seebeck effect. थर्मोइलेक्ट्रिक पावर जनरेशन जो होता है वो सेमीकंडक्टर मटेरियल का बना होता है which are optimized for the Seebeck effect. The simplest thermoelectric power generator consists of a thermocouple comprising a p-type and n-type material connected electrically in series and thermally in parallel. Thermoelectric power generator जो है वो p-type और n-type material का बना होता है electrically and this will in the series. Heat is applied into one side of the couple and ejected from the opposite side. An electric current is produced proportional to the temperature gradient between the hot junction and cold junction. Now, The four basic components required, one is the heat source जिसको हम फ्यूल बोलते हैं, then P and N type semiconductor state, T module, heat sink, cold side, electric load, output voltage. फ्यूल है, बर्नर बॉक्स है, एग्जॉस्ट है, T module, cold side, heat sink and electric output. Now the figure shows the construction of the thermoelectric power generator. There is a burner in which the propane fuel is used as heating source in one side. The exhaust is used to transmit a burnt fuel. On the other side, a cold junction is kept. The thermoelectric module consists of number of P-type and N-type semiconductors pellets connected in series or parallel depending on the served load is kept in between the hot and cold junction. The electric output is taken from the T module. Now, what is the working? When the two sides of a semiconductor are maintained with temperature difference, the EMF is flows across the output. One is the cold side, another one is the hot type. N-type semiconductor, the heat flows into the direction as shown according to the arrow. One is the hot side and another one is the cold side. The heat transfer from hot side to the cold side. Now, as the heat removes from hot side to cold side, the charge carrier moves in the semiconductor material and hence the potential difference is created. जब भी हॉट साइड से कोल्ड साइड चार्ज कैरियर मूव करता है किसी भी सेमीकंडक्टर मटेरियल में, तो वहाँ से एक पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्रिएट होता है. The electrons are the charge carriers in the case of N-type semiconductor and hole are in a P-type semiconductor. In a stack, number of P-type and N-type semiconductor is connected. A single PN junction can produce a C-back voltage of 40 millivolt. The heat source such as natural gas or propane are used for remote power generation. Now the major types that are available for thermoelectric and thermionic emission, that is the fossil fuel generator. Another one is the solar source generator, and last is the nuclear fuel generator. What are the advantages? Easy maintenance है, environmental friendly है, कोई भी pollution effect नहीं होगा, no harmful gases and no greenhouse effect. Compact and less weight and high reliability. Easy maintenance का क्या मतलब है? They work electrically without any moving parts, so they are virtually maintenance free. Environment friendly means thermoelectric generator produce no pollution, therefore they are eco-friendly generators. For compact design and less weight, the overall thermoelectric cooling system is much smaller and lighter than a comparable mechanical system. The high reliability thermoelectric modules exhibit very high reliability due to their solid state construction. So these are the major advantages through the thermoelectric conversion. Now, no noise, इससे कोई noise नहीं आएगी. They can be used in any orientation and zero gravity environments. Thus, they are popular in many aerospace applications. Convenient power supply, they operate directly from a DC power source. So, its major advantages that are no noise conventional power supply also. Now, the power generation through thermoelectric, we can see that the hot water heat electricity from one is the wood surface and TEG means we use this electricity directly into the with the help of the Seebeck effect and Thomson effect, that home power station with the help of the thermoelectric generator. And also a TEG system that enables into the vehicle that are used to lighting of headlight of the bikes or cars, and the LED lighting that enables through the thermoelectric power system. How the solar TEG system with solar tracker. Solar tracker basically hot water or hot air that house system, LED lighting, heat storage, air conditioning, battery, groundwater, and electricity returns. These are the system through which we solar tech system of a solar tracker. तो जो भी लाइटिंग की ज़रूरत होती है चाहे हमारी कार में, तो उस चीज़ को हम इस्तेमाल इस तरीके से कर सकते हैं जैसे कि डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सिस्टम्स में सोलर टीईजी सिस्टम के थ्रू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट हो रही है. नाउ जीपीएचएस RTG. GPHS RTG is the different combination of the heat source of support, cooling tubes, gas management assembly, aluminum outer shell assembly, general purpose heat source, active cooling system, pressure release device, RTG mounting flange, multi foil insulation, silicon germanium, mid-span heat source support. Thermionic. Thermionic process क्या है? The thermionic power converter is a static device that converts electricity by boiling electrons from a hot emitter surface across a small inter-electrode gap to a cooler collector surface approx 1000 Kelvin. जो thermionic power converter है, it is a device that converts electricity by boiling electrons from a hot emitter surface across a small inter-electrode gap. A thermionic generator consists of one or more of those converters coupled to give desired output power output. Thermionic generators can be operated from any primary heat source. For low power level, 3 kilowatt or less solar energy can be used. For high power level, 50 kilowatt or more nuclear heat source can be used. So this is about the thermoelectric conversion. हिस्ट्री इसकी क्या है? सबसे पहले in 1883 the Edison discovered release of electrons from a hot body. When a body will be heat, then it emits the electron. How the electrons will emit, we have to see. In 1904, Fleming invented thermionic diode rectifier. In 1915, Skelter proposed thermionic conversion. After 1950, serious research on this area, so that from how hot conduction that produce the electron. The common components that use in the thermoionic electricity generation. This is the figure. जब भी हीट सोर्स होगा वहाँ से हमारा इलेक्ट्रॉन मूव करेगा हॉट बॉडी से और इट गोज अप टू द कोल्ड बॉडी टू द हीट सिंक. In the figure, we can see that the thermionically emitted electron space charge neutralization ions hot emitter inter-electrode vacuum cold collector heat in and heat output electrical feed through electrical enclosure and electrical load. तो हमने दो नोड्स के बीच में पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव के बीच में हमने क्या किया, एक इलेक्ट्रिकल लोड लगा दिया और सोर्स से हीट जो जा रही है वो एक इलेक्ट्रोड पे जा रही है और दूसरे से हीट सिंक पे जा रही है जो कि कोल्डर बॉडी है. अब इमीटर टेम्परेचर, कलेक्टर टेम्परेचर एंड पावर डेंसिटी. This may obtained by the 1600 to 200 Kelvin, and by this 800 110 Kelvin, 980 to 1520 degree Fahrenheit, and its density is 1 to 8 watt per centimeter square. जो मटेरियल हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं जनरली थर्मोइलेक्ट्रिक कन्वर्जन में, उसका टेम्परेचर हाई होता है, दैट इज़ द इमीटर मटेरियल टंगस्टन, मोलिब्डेनम, रीडियम। कलेक्टर मटेरियल्स जो होते हैं हमारे न्यूबिडियम एंड मोलिब्डेनम। इलेक्ट्रोड का जो एटमॉस्फेयर होता है क्रोमियम एट 1.1 टर, एंड इंसुलेशन मटेरियल जो होता है वो एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड, एल्यूमिनियम एंड सेगमेंट। Now we are here. Okay, so this is the common components that are used in the thermionic converter. Now important aspects consider that the cathode must emit an abundant supply of electron. The evaporation of atoms from cathode should be negligible. Electronic space charge built up in the interelectrode spacing must be eliminated. Now the classification. The classification according to the method of neutralization space charge, vacuum closed space and cesium gas filled. Now vacuum closed space converter. The research that comes into 1957, the physical spacing of 0.005 inch or less is maintained between anode and cathode will have engineering difficulty. The lifetime is 40 hours. Now, what is cesium gas film? The cesium gas is filled in between the anode and cathode. Working efficiency is higher than former. One lifetime is nearly 600 hours, and the main problem is efficient sealing and corrosive nature of cesium. Now, its advantage. The rotating equipment is not employed in this process. The liquid vapor phase problem do not exist. The separator for fluid are not required, and the friction losses due to the bearing not present. The major disadvantages are individual converters are low voltage, high current device. A large number of converters must be sequentially arranged to obtain useful voltage. Power losses converters can seriously cut useful power output. Now, these are the applications. The application is the schematic diagram of an pile nuclear thermionic power system for space application. The segment reactor including thermionic cells in core, coolant, nuclear shield, thermal sediated payload and pumps. These are its applications. Now, schematic diagram of an out of pile nuclear thermionic liquid metal cooled reactor to cathode, thermal radiator payload from anodes, liquid metal to anodes, thermionic elements, nuclear shield from cathode. Now, this is the figure of the thermoelectric conversion applications, that the power transmission buzzer that are attached in the outer periphery, converter connection that are based on the top of the surface, electrical connection, TFE support head, coolant, thermionic fuel elements, reactor vessel, drum shaft, etc. Now, combination of thermionic and thermoelectric. Now, the comparison, both thermionic and thermoelectric generators employ the electron gas as the working fluid. We use the plasma because we know that the plasma gas that generates the electron at up to 4000 degrees centigrade. The thermionic generator based on the ballistic current flow, which is highly efficient where its theoretical efficiency is close to the correct Carnot efficiency. A thermoelectric generator, however, has poor efficiency due to the diffusive current flow, and a thermionic generator usually requires a high temperature heat source to generate a practically useful current. A thermoelectric generator, however, can produce electric power from low quality heat energy resource. Now, the combination of thermoelectric conversion and thermionic conversion as shown in the figure, that in the thermionic generator the current and cathode and anode, the two terminals, and in the thermoelectric the two n junction and p junction. So these are the graph in between the output power density in watt centimeter square and in anode temperature at the thermionic generator in Kelvin. So these are the temperature, and here these are the output power supply. This is all about the thermionic electricity and thermionic generation. Okay, now thank you.